Hey guys, we're going to hop into how you can invest into stocks for much less than you might believe. It's called fractional share investing. For example, if SpaceX stock costs $135 per share, you can invest $20 to buy 15% of that single share. Even though you only own a slice of the share, your investment grows or shrinks by the same percentage as that full share, giving you the same return on every dollar you invest. Check out moneyleaper.com for step by step instructions on info on fractional share investing. So, again, with fractional share investing, you basically invest whatever dollar amount you can afford. So, let's say, for example, you wanted to invest $20 into SpaceX. Well, you can log into your trading account. I'm using Fidelity, for example, and select the dollar amount as the type of trade you want to make, and then submit your buy order. It's that simple. You can invest in companies for a price that fits your budget. I really like it for that reason. How do you feel about this type of investing? Drop a comment.
Thanks for dropping in today. Be sure to check out all the helpful links down in the description. And of course, subscribe. Take care.